check.
What else?
And that's the helicopter and the police truck.
Police car?
Yes. And fire truck.
Fire truck.
Yeah.
What else?
What's that, Mommy? This.
Can I remove your hands?
This.
Where?
There.
Scooter.
That's a scooter, Mommy.
Mm-mm.
And what's that?
Can I see?
This.
I don't know. What's that? There's a speaker on the car.
And you.
All of that is car and air transportation.
Yeah. And this is the car. And that's the
Ship?
that's the
A
ship.
boat?
This is the boat and the ship. And this is the train, Mama. And this is train.
Eric!
And you can call us
Eric!
Yeah. This is
Okay, you're gonna color it tomorrow
What's this?
so that you have activity.
What's this?
You don't have class tomorrow.
Why you go? What are you going to do? Can you know this dinosaur can help the colors?
What you gonna color?
Color this?
What's that?
The thread on.
What?
The thread on this. Because we want to leave the dinosaur.
What you gonna color?
What's this? What wants to do?
What do you want to color? What do you like to color? What color do you like?
Mommy, can you help the dinosaur get?
Blue, green, brown. You choose, ah?
I cannot choose.
You should choose.
No, you should not go.